What is your primary responsibility? Surface care, laundry, bathroom, waste management, or general?
In general,
Right.
like nag-wipe og glass, window, like mag-mop og salog, magsilhig.
What is your process in cleaning a room from start to finish?
First kay magsilhig. First kay magsilhig, tapos mapping or dust map, tapos after that mag-arrange sa mga tables and chairs.
Okay. How do you prioritize your task during a busy day?
Mas kinaprayo na ko itong makita, like mga dust sa salog, mga basura, mga na makita, mga lamisa na wala na arrange.
How I describe your experience with laundry and linen management?
Sa laundry kay mostly mga ginalipiwan man ko kay mga pang trapo, pang white, tapos atong sa mop, dust mop.
How do you manage time How do you manage time when you finish one chore to another? Do you have free time?
Kadahuman na mo o kuan o limpyo sa isa ka certain na limpyon nun. Mostly sa mga naga free time naman, like naga cellphone, naga relax, naga lunch.
Are there Are there safety tools or protective equipment required while working?
Sa mga karon, since under construction naman siya, napasuot mo yung safety helmet.
Are you trained on how to properly use cleaning tools and chemicals?
Karon wala pa, sa karon is wala pa, kay kami tanan is first timer sa housekeeping. Pero naginatudloan mo yung like mopping, silhig.
Do you wear a certain type of uniform?
Yes, like white t-shirt or white polo, tapos black pants,
Yeah, shoes.
shoes.
Black shoes.
Second sa shoes.
What specific cleaning techniques do you use for different countertops, flooring, and surfaces?
So,
What specific cleaning technique do you use?
sa mo is first ginawet, like ginapabasa na mo. For example, sa glass, ginabasa na muna ang trapo, tapos i-wipe. Sa salog, ginabasa na mo ang salog, ginamap, tapos kato.
Which cleaning products and equipments are you most familiar with? Like vacuum types, eco-friendly products?
Polisher.
How do you ensure you meet specific detailed cleaning standards consistently?
Huh?
How do you ensure you meet specific... explain ako ganyan ba? Diba?
Ensure you meet like local gets.
Unsa mo pag-sure ba nga na-meet mo ang specific detailed cleaning standard consistent?
Pag nagakuan among admin is nag-approve siya sa mga trabaho, like satisfied siya.
Okay. What is your working schedule for this position in a month?
Schedule.
What is your working schedule?
Kuan 6 times a week, Monday to Saturday.
Okay. When does your shift start and when does it end?
7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Do you have an overtime shift that pays every hour?
If na pinakalit na sugo.
Is your job located in a specific place or assigned from one place to another?
Na siya sa isa ka place lang, like Cotundo sa Sandawa. Okay na.
Sa pangalan sa kumpanya?
One Paragon.
Do you work
upat mi kabuok housekeeping.
How are you evaluated about your performance? Through cleanliness, timeliness?
Mostly sa mga if limpyo na jud ang lugar, okay na siya.
Are customer or guest feedback considered in your evaluation?
So karon kay under construct ko nga wala pa nagpuyo, so wala dili siya kailangan.
Is punctuality and attendance part of performance evaluation?
Ito, kailangan siya. Kaya tara nagkabase ang sweldo.
Can you multitask during a shift where you do all the course alone?
Dili siya kaya if na may mga trabaho na kailangan og kauban. Like kailangan mag-alsa niya.
So, dili ka maka-multitask.
Kung
Pero
kana
kung kaya rin mo,
kaya ra.
how do you receive feedbacks on your performance from time to time?
Nag-approve among sir ginasend na mo sa messenger among ginapicturan na mo among trabaho. Yung gina-approve niya.
Okay. How are you getting paid? Weekly, daily, monthly?
Monthly. Like 10-15 among release. Tapos
So,
cut
every
off
second.
15-30.
Ha? Cut off.
15-30.
Release.
10-25.
Do you receive incentive and overtime fees?
No, if like SSS, Saipol pagka ng holiday double pay.
What kind of insurance are you signing up after being hired? Healthcare, paid leave, holidays, ito nga insurance.
Healthcare na
Like what? SSS?
like SSS, PhilHealth.
Do you have all the benefits after being hired for at least 6 months? Wala, 6 months na ka. Nala ba kayo paid leave, holiday, bonus?
Dili pa ko sure if marag wala ko na.
Do you receive extra incentive when you do your job well done?
Wala. Depende kung nanay nagpuyo o tayo na sila isugo. Medyo na tip.
What educational qualifications or certification are needed for this job?
Senior high school graduate.
Wala.
Pero if kana professional lang siya, kaan in situ. Housekeeping.
Does having a prior related job an advantage to be hired quickly?
Yes.
Ano man?
Ito?
Does having a prior related job an advantage?
Wala man para kay kabalo naman sila na kabalo nakabalo pa.
Is training necessary after getting hired?
Yes. Para kabalo kasi mong buhaton.
What specific skill are most important to perform the job effectively?
Ha?
Unsa nga skill ang pinaka-importante para sa imuha para mahuman nimong imong trabaho?
Kuan cleaning skills. Ay, dapat kabalo ka manilin, kabalo ka mag-map. Harap mo.
Tapos, nakatulog ko. Nabidyo ko. Tigala kasi ito. Say ko. What personal qualities are important for this job? Like patience, attention to detail.
Kuan attention to detail. Dapat kuan pod ka pasensyoso ka sa mga kauban nimo o kanang for example mag-map ka nga nay sige agi. Ay ako ako nag-map. Cut lang to.
Ikat, diretso na na. Sumakot to, patience. What else? Mara to? Okay, kaso na, nakatulog ko buang.